of the chicken pen, getting these sticks and pine needles off of it.
Well, you're doing a good job. Keep up good work, Tosh. Hey there, little chicks. Are you keeping them company, Austin? He's been over here playing with them, and apparently not too scared of them right now. They all bunched up there, and I guess he's been keeping their attention. What you been doing to them chickens, boy? You trying to teach them how to build? Huh? You trying to teach them how to build something? Well, show us how you doing that. What you working on? Oh, you got these carpenter pencil. I see. Oh, you're teaching them. Are you teaching them their ABCs? You are. Well, go ahead, teach them their ABCs, son. You done a good job. You should be a teacher. If you can teach a chicken how to say their ABCs, you done pretty good. Are you getting it? You want Daddy happy? You want Daddy happy, son? Here, come on, let me help you out, son. Take your hand, put it down here like this. You ready? Watch your face. You ready? Happy. Happy. Now you finish it on up, make sure it's in there good. Well, that looks pretty good, don't it? You did a good job. You did a good job. All right. Ready? All right, ready? Go ahead. Now you finish it on up. All right, you did a good job. Look at the chickens. They even appreciate you helping out. Look at them. They're not even scared. They're probably thinking, well, y'all gonna finish building our home. We're ready to get out of here. Let me see this in here. Well, you want some attention? Yeah, you want some attention? Oh, it feels good, don't it? You like that, don't you? Huh? Yeah. You want some attention too? Does it feel good? Hey y'all, well, we just got our boards put on this old part of the chicken run, and we got the new part of it boards put on it, and put some treated lumber along the bottom edges of everything. And all we like now is just put some new chicken wire up, and this chicken run be ready. Tasha and some, they got up here and clean all these pine needles and sticks off top of the wire up on top there. So, we made some leeway today on this, and next time y'all see this, we'll have our chickens turned loose in there, and they'll be having fun, I guess. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just want to show y'all us working on this chicken coop. And as always, from our family to yours, y'all have a blessed day. See y'all later. Bye-bye.